Good day, everyone. Learn how to download Outlook app on Windows 11. So if you have issues with Outlook and you uninstalled it and you want to reinstall it, you can do it with ease. So click on the start icon and go to Microsoft Store. And here in the search box, type Outlook and you will find Outlook for Windows. And here you will find the ratings. And since it is already installed in my computer, it's asking me to open. In your case, it will ask you to click on install. And you can also update from here as well. So currently it's giving me an option to update the Outlook for Windows. So this is how you can install Outlook in Windows. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.